How you doing, guys? And welcome back to part 2. And just in case you're just tuning in and you missed part 1, I'm gonna leave a link on the video below and a thumbnail at the end of this video. You can just click on it and watch part 1. So a quick summary: I showed you guys where the ramp is in your house, and then I showed you guys how easy it was to get to my backyard. And when I showed up, it was just in time. It was the best time because Olguita was making lunch that she had made chicken stew, and I decided to fry mine to make it a little crunchier. And then after that, we picked up our stuff and headed to go on the boat. But when we got outside, it was a perfect time and perfect lighting to take some beautiful afternoon pictures. And now we're dogging off and heading our way down south. And did you guys figure it out where we went from those quick clips of the previous video? I'm pretty sure you did, but I'm still not gonna tell you until we get there. And if you're wondering how many pictures I took of her, well, I'll say about from 10 to 15 pictures, and she only picked about 4. But now she decided to take even more pictures, and by those, she kept to herself. I guess it must be a ladies thing, because me, as a guy, I might take 2 or 3 and use 1. But you ladies take about 50 and use 4 or 5. Well, at least the ladies I know. And I think I figured out why. It's because you ladies focus on such much little detail on the picture that if one thing goes wrong, you delete the whole thing. And us guys, we don't worry about that. We look at the whole picture. If we like it, we like it, and that's it. And I think that's a helpful hint for you ladies, so like that you don't have to take so many pictures. Well guys, this is a little different today. We have been through the main channel about, I'd say, over 100 times, like you noticed on my videos. But today is something a little different. We noticed there are boaters commuting through the channel, because normally the main channel remains pretty empty, but not today. I guess with such a beautiful day, most of the West Coast boaters didn't want to stay home, like us. And just like that, we made it to the bay. That's how easy and quick it is. And while I'm driving through the channel, guess what she's doing? Well, she's going through her 100 pictures that she took and choosing which one is the best that she might post. Talking about pictures and Instagram, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys notice that I haven't posted anything since Friday. Well, I don't know what's going on with Instagram, but it's not letting me post pictures nor stories. And I already emailed Instagram like 4 times and no one has answered me back. And talking about social media, I did post this little clip on TikTok, and within 6 hours I got over 80,000 views. And I thought that was pretty weird because we're not dancing. Oh, wait a minute, maybe we are, but dancing on the water. And talking about TikTok, a lot of comments were concerning that I didn't slow down on this bridge. Well, on this particular bridge on Cape Coral, you don't have to go idle. You go normal speed. And we have reached the miserable mile that I call it the relaxing mile. Well, today I have to call it something else, because normally I see a lot of boats go through here, but today something is definitely going on in the water, because there's way double the amount of boats going through this section. And I started recording kind of late, so I'm gonna speed up the video so you guys can see how many boats are passing by us. And yes, the opposite direction. Everybody's going home and we're going out. party over there. Alright, and that was 1/4 of the boats coming back in, because when I saw all of them come in, I was amazed and I forgot to grab the camera. I would like to take a guess. From the Cape Coral Heartbreak Bridge all the way to Punta Rasa right here, there must have been at least 500 boats coming back in, and that's not even counting the ones who were anchored along the channel. I guess between the natives and the tourists and the beautiful day, that's why it was so many people out in the water today. Well, while most boaters return home, me and Olguita are just starting our day, and we're gonna head down south to Fort Myers Beach and hang out in front of the resort with the latecomers like us, or the late stragglers that stayed behind. Well, like we figured, there's a few boaters and jet skiers left behind, so we're gonna set anchor and join them on the rest of this late afternoon. That most of the boaters have left, but we noticed there's a lot of beachgoers walking around. I guess this place reminds me like Haulover Sandbar. It doesn't matter what time you come, there's always people hanging out here. And we're gonna do the same, but we're not gonna jump on the water because it's still cold. The day is hot, but the water's cold. So we're just gonna hang out and chillax by the bow of the boat. And this goes out to the friends up north. Olguita's actually gonna sunbathe in winter. Oh well, while Olguita sunbathes, I'm gonna go ahead and do some people watching and see what everybody's doing here at the resort at Fort Myers Beach. And by the look of things, I think they are out of towners, because Florida people wouldn't get in this water. So it's nice to see everybody enjoying the water, and I guess everybody's sticking around to watch the sunset. But look at this, I think we're gonna get a show, an acrobatic show. Well, I guess we'll see how good they are. What do you guys think from a scale of 1 to 10? I'll give them an 8 because I think they did pretty good. And look at this guy, he's taking a bike stroll to the beach. And this reminds me when me and Ogita used to do this at South Beach and Hollywood Beach. And riding bicycle at the beach is one of the easiest ways to do exercise without realizing you're doing it. And I think this guy, without realizing it, the tide went down. And looking at the show on shore, he kind of got stuck. So now he has his crew trying to get him out. But the trick is trying to get over the hump of the sandbar right next to me.
No, that what you do is turn the boat around.
Claro, con los motores para atrás ellos lo tenían de lado perfectamente suelto, son brutos. El primero que es el dueño del bote.
He's just a party animal, he don't care. Oh, this is a qualified captain.
Hubieran puesto, ahorita ellos estaban de lado, hubieran puesto los motores para atrás y ellos hubieran salido. Si eso es lo que querían.
There we go, they got it.
Pero ellos pueden ahí, porque mira ahí donde le está dando el agua.
There we go. So we're here hanging out at the resort because I saw you. You're trying to be silly.
What did I do? What did it do?
I saw you.
How you sound?
So this is what happens when you come out here late and it's cold. Notice we haven't got in the water because the water here today is really cold. And oh boy, we got a situation behind me. We got a crazy person. Actually, it's not bad. As long as I don't feel the wind, it's not bad. We might witness a beautiful sunset, at least in the ride home, right? So we just relaxing, enjoying the late afternoon here on the west side. All right, so what do you guys think? The Fresco Channel handled this?
And definitely, we're going to take advantage of this beautiful sunset and take some more pictures to add to the Fresco Channel wife Instagram account. Well, there you go. If you guys want to get that golden look on your photos, just do it early in the morning or late afternoon and you're gonna get that cool golden effect. But now we're gonna pick up anchor and start heading out. So what do you guys think about this West Coast boat ride? Now normally we do barbecue, but this time we decided to eat home and just hang out in Sea Lacs by the resort. But now it's time to grab your jackets and put on my shirt. On the ride back home, it's gonna get a little chilly, but one good thing is we're gonna witness a beautiful sunset on the way home. And by the way, if you guys like this video and the other ones, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if it's your first time watching the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Like that, every time you post a video, you guys will get notified and you guys won't miss it. And remember, you can always get the Fresco Channel merchandise and Sandbar Life at www.frescochannel.com. And remember, an easy way to support the channel, and it's free, is by sharing the videos with your friends and on your social media platform. And for those people that do it already, thank you so much for the love and support.